Do you want to know the top 5 organic fertilizers for a healthy soil? Organic fertilizers play a vital role in boosting soil health and plant growth. They're eco-friendly and safe for all your plants. Stay tuned to learn about the top 5 organic fertilizers that you need for your garden. First on our list is compost. A powerhouse of nutrients, compost supercharges your soil, promoting plant health and growth. Simply mix it into your soil before planting or use it as a mulch. Compost is a great choice for any gardener looking to improve soil health. Next up, we have manure. A tried and true classic, manure enriches the soil with vital nutrients, enhancing plant growth. Simply mix it into your garden soil and watch as your plants thrive. Manure is an excellent source of nutrients for your plants. Moving on to bone meal. This organic fertilizer is a powerhouse packed with phosphorus and calcium, crucial for root development and plant strength. Sprinkle it into the soil, especially during planting, to supercharge your garden's growth. Bone meal provides essential nutrients for healthy plant growth. Our fourth organic fertilizer is seaweed. This underwater plant is a nutrient powerhouse, packed with trace minerals that plants love. You can use it fresh, dried, or in a liquid form, mixed into your soil. Seaweed is a fantastic fertilizer for promoting plant health. Finally, we have green manure, a fantastic organic fertilizer. It's brimming with nutrients, improving soil structure and fertility. Plant green manure crops and till them into the soil before they flower. Green manure is a wonderful way to enrich your soil. There you have it, the top 5 organic fertilizers for a healthy soil. Compost, manure, bone meal, seaweed, and green manure. Each has its unique benefits to enrich your garden. Before you go, remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful gardening tips.